Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how you can gain followers using Instagram Reels. So let's go. Now we have all seen people gaining thousands and thousands of followers from Instagram Reels, and I also am one of them who has gained more than 10,000 followers in the past year using Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels has been a game changer when it comes to growing your Instagram account. If you really ask the question how to gain followers or how do even people follow, you need to understand and keep the layout of the Instagram Reels in your mind. You will see that once you see the video, your name is available over there and there is a small follow button. Now I want you to keep this in mind. Why? Let me explain to you in the further steps. Now you know growing on Instagram is possible with the help of Instagram Reels. Well, it is not just about posting Instagram Reels. Any random Instagram Reels is just not going to give you followers. There needs to be a flow to your Instagram Reels or Instagram videos which you are posting, which will help you convert your viewers into followers. So let me tell you what exactly should the flow of your video be to get more followers on Instagram Reels. So the first one is a hook. What is a hook? The hook is basically something which catches the attention of the viewer watching your video on Instagram and just immediately watches your video throughout. A hook is something which is basically very a surprising element or something which makes your audience to want to wait and watch the entire video. Hook always comes in the first 2 to 3 seconds of your Instagram reel video. Now the next process after the hook is the process itself, and lastly which is the CTA, which we call is call to action. Let me give you an example. For example, if you are a fashion creator, you show people your hook will be, let's say, Amazon tops under rupees 300. Then your process will be showing the Amazon tops under rupees 300, and lastly your call to action will be follow for more. Now I know it can be a little bit confusing. Let me tell you with one more example. Let's take an example of cake this time. So if you're a food blogger, let me tell you, okay, imagine if you're making a cake, let's say a biscuit cake. If you're creating a reel video for it, what will be your hook? Your hook will be showing the cake and writing a title such as cake, bake a cake under 10 minutes with biscuits, or something like baked a cake from Oreo cookies. That is a great hook. People would want to know how did you exactly make this cake. So that is a hook. You have hooked your audience really well. Then your next process is to show the process of how you made that cake, and lastly adding a call to action or a font or something which says follow you for more such tips. Now this process is very important. You need to take your audience from the hook of curiosity of knowing okay how did they do it to giving them complete satisfaction on showing them how you did it, how you explained them and showed them the process, all of that, and then finally asking them to follow you. This is very important. Now your videos should provide some kind of value when it comes to this. It's not like if you are into a entertainment sector, it's not like you cannot give value. You can give value by entertaining them, by making them laugh, by making them feel related. Your videos should make your audience feel in some way. Either that can be motivated, inspiring, happy, anything like that. But they need to feel something. They need to get something out of that video. It can be a joke, it can be a meme, it can be learning something about makeup, a place, about fitness, about food, anything like that. And the next thing through which you are going to get more views on your Instagram reels is by being consistent. Now I know everyone says about Urvi, be consistent, be consistent. I've heard about being consistent 1,000 times. I know I have to, but you really have to ask yourself. Take about this an example, okay? When you go on your Instagram reels explore feed, you see a familiar face creating a video. You are like, okay, her content is good, his content is good, you might like the video, and then you scroll above. But what if you see the same person's video at least 2 to 3 times or even every single day on your Instagram feed, and then you just finally decide that okay, like this person has been showing up on my Instagram feed regularly, let me just follow this person. Has that happened to you? Because that has happened to me as well. So this shows a clear example that if you show up enough, if you show up consistently, people will come ahead and follow you. And basically that is a human nature, you know. If they keep seeing you follow all of these tips, which is the proper content flow, process and the call to action in all of your videos, they will be intrigued by watching your videos. They will feel that yes, you are giving them value in some way, shape or form, and they will follow you. Other things which I would recommend to you is hopping on Instagram trends and also use trending music. Now I've talked about this in my other video, so you definitely should go and check that out because I'm not going to ramble about them over here. Do you want to grow your Instagram account by using Instagram Reels exponentially and see how I gained 4,000 followers in 1 week by using Instagram Reels? Then definitely check the first link in the description to the Rock with Reels masterclass. This is a masterclass where I teach you how you can go viral using Instagram Reels, and there is so much more in detail about Instagram Reels when it comes to content, the pillars and even the flow of the video. So if you want to know more about that, click the link in the description. Now that the Instagram insights are available to you, you need to see which of your Instagram videos are getting more shares and saves. So once you know which videos are getting more shared, create more of those videos, create a series of those videos, and you will see your account will start getting more and more traction. Now I've talked so much about Instagram Reels in so many of my other videos, so definitely check that out so you do not miss on anything else. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.